Hey guys, this is question 10A and B off the back of your study guide. We are going to rank these spots on the coaster from greatest to least potential energy and kinetic energy. So for part A, you're ranking potential energy. Your formula for that is your mass times your acceleration due to gravity times your height. So our mass is not changing as we travel through this coaster, but our height is. So the only thing influencing a change in potential energy is a change in height. So where we're going to have more potential energy is where our height would be greater. So A is the highest, so that would have the greatest, and then E, B, D, and C. And those are simply just based on how high they are. All right. Now for part B with kinetic energy, it's going to be the opposite. So wherever it's the lowest to the ground, it's going to have the most kinetic energy. So that would be C, then D, B, E, and then A. And the reason for this is that our total mechanical energy is the same throughout the track. So like our total, if it was 100, it'd be 100 every single spot on the coaster. As our potential energy decreases as we go down the track, like let's say it's 100 here, halfway down it's down to 50, now it's down to 0. Our total staying the same, so if one of our energies is going down, the other has to go up. So as our potential decreases, our kinetic increases. If you also think about riding on a roller coaster at Six Flags, as you go down the hill, you're getting faster and faster, so your velocity is increasing. Well, with a higher velocity comes more kinetic energy because you're moving faster. So that's what causes it to be reversed, right? So higher off the ground it is, the more potential energy it has. When it has lower potential energy, when it's closer to the ground, that means it's going to have a higher kinetic energy, right? So let me know if you guys have any questions on this. Hopefully it's pretty straightforward.